Hello student, this is Seema Bhatti here. Today I will teach you about the India. As we know very well about the 7 continents, and India is the part of Asia. We can see here. Next is also a globe. We can see here Earth's surface and India is here. Southern hemisphere. What is southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere? So students, I will tell you about the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. This is a middle line on the earth. It's called equator. Upper part of the equator is northern hemisphere and lower part of the equator is the southern hemisphere. Next, northern hemisphere, and as the globe can be divided into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere as well, western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. So India is in the eastern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere. As we can see here, this is latitude. Latitude means horizontal lines on the globe, and longitude means vertical lines on the globe, as we can see in this pic. Next is, these are the imaginary line. Imaginary lines used to locate any place on a map. So we can say that all countries lies between 2 latitude and 2 longitude. The mainland of India between latitude 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north and 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east. This is a location of India. Now next we will talk about the neighboring countries of India. Look at this here, neighboring countries of India. Here is Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka. These are the neighboring countries of India. Now let's move on next page. It's here. Look at this here, Ladakh, and these are the 28 states and 8 union territories of India, and we can see here the Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. These are the union territories of India, and here Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. Here is Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest states of India. Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar. Here is Bihar, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and here is Goa, and Goa is the smallest states of India. West Bengal, look at this here, West Bengal, and Sikkim is here. Now we will talk about the eastern states of India. So eastern state here, this is the east of India. First of all, we will talk about the Arunachal Pradesh. After that, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and Assam. These are the 7 states, eastern state, and we can say 7 sister also. So it's difficult to use, students. How do you learn? So I have a very small trick that you can learn about the 7 sisters. So here, look at this, Arunachal Pradesh. This is a very first state. So Arun, Nagaland Nag, Manipur Mani, Mizoram Maje, Tripura अरुण को क्या मिला, नाग मिला. नागालैंड, नाग से मणि मिली. मणिपुर, मणि से मजे किए. मणि किसी को मिल जाए तो क्या होगा, मजे ही तो आएंगे. मजे किए, मजे करके कहाँ गए, त्रिपुरा. त्रिपुरा में मिल गए मेघ. मेघ माने बादल, और हो गई बारिश. और फिर क्या हो गई, शाम मीन्स आसाम. सो इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल ट्रिक. आई थिंक इट्स यूजफुल टू यू ऑल. ओके, गुड लक स्टूडेंट्स.